Hello students, today I would like to explain the basic theorem of electrical engineering and very important theorem, that is Thevenin's theorem. Myself Sumalata, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, University College of Engineering, Karthik University. Thevenin's theorem. The statement of Thevenin's theorem. The current flowing through the load resistor RL connected across any two terminal A and B of a linear bilateral network is given by VOC by RI plus RL, where VOC is the open circuit voltage, that is voltage across terminals AB when RL is removed, and RI is the internal resistance of the network as viewed back into the open circuited network from terminals AB, deactivating all the independent sources. So here we have some limitations, that is, so first one is Thevenin's theorem cannot be applied to the network which contains non-linear impedances, and this theorem is cannot be calculated power consumption internally in the circuit or efficiency of the circuit. In this one, the main important thing is linear bilateral network. If the circuit is having the linear element, that is RLC, then it is called linear element, which is having the voltage current characteristics as linear, which obeys the superposition theorem and also called linear element. Bilateral element, the element properties are does not change with the direction of current, then it is called bilateral element. The examples for linear bilateral network is consisting of RLC, then it is called linear circuit. And what are the non-linear elements means here diodes and the transistors are called non-linear elements. So here to solve this Thevenin's theorem, the first step is removing of RL. Here we are removing this RL. Once if it is removed, then that the circuit is become open circuit across the terminals of the circuit. So second step, we have to calculate open circuit voltage or Thevenin's voltage. For that one, in this one, first we have to calculate total current passing through this circuit. Why? Because here if it is open circuited, there is no current in this R2, only current is flowing in this circuit. So this is the total supply voltage and these three resistance are connected in series. So total current is equal to, here current, this one is the current value, I is equal to E by small r plus R1 plus R3, and voltage to get VOC, I into, this is the I value, I into R3. So substituting I value here, E by small r R1 small r plus R1 plus R3 into R3. So this is the second step. And third important step is calculation of internal resistance or R Thevenin. For that one, we have to remove this load resistance and also short circuited all the voltages sources and opening all the current sources, leaving behind their internal resistance. So here small r is the resistance of the source. So, and we have to observe from the open circuit. So if you observe in this direction, so these two resistors are in series, that's why R1 plus R small r, and this combination R plus small R1 plus small r is combination is parallel with the R3, that is R3 into R1 plus small r by R3 plus R1 plus small r, and this combination is now, this entire combination is in series with the R2, that's why R2 plus this combination. So finally this is the value of R Thevenin. So once if you got V Thevenin and R Thevenin, draw the equivalent circuit and place the two values with the combination of RL. So final step is finding of IL in the equivalent circuit. So to find of IL is equal to V Thevenin plus R Thevenin plus RL. So that is, we can observe here V Thevenin by R Thevenin plus RL. So this is the Thevenin's theorem. If the circuit is consisting of dependent sources, so if the circuit is consisting of independent sources, then we replace the short circuit and open circuit. But the circuit is consisting of dependent sources, so this is the procedure. So removing of RL, short circuit, removing of RL, then the circuit becomes open circuit. Finding of VOC. To finding ISC, we have to short circuit the RL. We have to short circuit the RL. Then R Thevenin is equal to V Thevenin by ISC. So this is the procedure. Calculate the open circuit voltage V Thevenin. Redraw the network with independent sources. Replace its internal resistance. This is called deactivating the sources. And third step is calculation of R Thevenin. So this is the theorem procedure. So we will solve one simple problem so that we can get more clarity. So finding of current in 15 ohm resistor by using Thevenin's theorem. So this is the simple circuit. So in this one, first step is removing of RL. Then the circuit becomes open circuit. So first of all, we have to find total current. Total current is equal to 100 by 10 plus 20. So that is this one. This is the current value. To get VOC, voltage across 20 is nothing but VOC. That's why VOC is equal to current into 20. So finally it is 200 by 3. And second step, we have to find R Thevenin. If you open this one and we have to short this 100 source. So then if you observe from here, these two are having in parallel. So that's why it is 10 into 20 by 20 plus 10. So this is the value of R Thevenin, that is 20 by 3. So substituting in the IL and finding the IL by using Thevenin's theorem. This is V Thevenin. This is R Thevenin plus RL. So finally IL is equal to 3.077. We'll see one more problem. See here we have to place all the values of Thevenin's and this is the representation of equivalent circuit. Well, we will see one more problem here. So finding of current across this 2 ohm. So for that one, first step, remove to 2 ohm. Then the circuit becomes open circuit. So we have to find open circuit voltage from here. So that is V Thevenin is equal to VBD. VBD is equal to VCD. VCD, this and this difference is called V Thevenin. Potential difference between the 2 points is called Thevenin's voltage. So this is by using current voltage divide rule, we can calculate the voltage. This is the supply voltage and this one is the opposite resistance by total resistance in this loop, this branch, and here opposite resistance by this total. So finally we got the 1.2 volts, that is a potential difference between the 2 points. So here VB is equal to, VB is having higher potential. Next, equivalent circuit. For that one we have to short the supply voltage. See here we are shorting the supply voltage and we are opening this load resistance. Then replace this circuit like this. This circuit will come in between these two terminals. So these two are in parallel and these two are in parallel and this two combination is in series. So finally, see here we can we calculated R Thevenin. So finding of IL is equal to V Thevenin plus R Thevenin plus RL. So finally IL is equal to 0.176. So this is the example. Thank you. But if you have any doubt,